Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Tutorial Pathshala. Myself Hitesh Pathak, and we are in the series of multiple choice questions on classification of periodic table. Our next question is, which is a multiple choice question. The question says, ask which is not true about noble gases. The question is which is not true, or we can say which is false about noble gases. Firstly, we need to know what are the characteristics of noble gases, where they lies in the periodic table. So firstly, we'll see the periodic table, the complete periodic table with its element and different positions, so that we can understand where noble gases are existing. First two group are metallic, alkali and alkaline earth metal. The centralized group of 10 centralized system of 10 groups are called transition metal, and the rest, these from 13 to 18, they are called non-metallic section. And the last group of every period, or we can say the last element of every period, is a noble gas. Why it is called noble gas? It is also called inert gas. Inert gas, which includes helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. Okay, like this. So these are the elements which comes in this group, and it has a special characteristic that these are the most stable elements in the whole periodic table. Why is it so? Because their outermost is completely filled with electrons, and they don't have any free electrons to get reacted or for reactivity, except xenon, which is reactive among all the noble gas elements. Now we'll come to the options. The first is they are non-metallic in nature. Yes, they are non-metallic because they are coming at the rightmost of period. And we know for metallic characteristic, the moving from left to right, it decreases. So it has the minimum metallic characteristic, or we can say they are non-metallic in nature. As we move from left to right, metallic characteristic decreases and non-metallic characteristic increases. So first option is correct. So it's not a false statement. The second is they exist in atomic form. Yes, they exist in atomic form because they all have electronic configuration. Like for helium, 2 electrons, neon 2 8, argon 2 8 8, and like this they all have atomic system in which they consist of nucleus and electrons too, but they are not reactive. The third option is they are radioactive in nature. When we are talking about noble gas, they are inert in nature. Inert in nature means they are non-reactive. So it's not a case that a noble gas will be radioactive. Most of the elements which are radioactive, they comes in the section of highly reactivity. So this is not a true statement we are observing from this. And the last one, xenon is the most reactive among these. Yes, it is correct, because we studied that xenon has the capability to react in some instance. So it is the only element which in noble gas which reacts. So the answer is 3. They are radioactive in nature. दोस्तों आज हम बात कर रहे हैं कि MCQs में कि क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ पीरियोडिक टेबल में कि which is not true about noble gases. नोबल गैसेस के लिए इनमें से कौन सा कथन है जो सही नहीं है? देखते हैं ऑप्शन. फर्स्ट है दे आर नॉन मेटलिक इन नेचर. पहली चीज कि ये नोबल गैस जो होते हैं नॉन मेटलिक होते हैं. यस, ये सही है. दूसरा, दे एग्जिस्ट इन एटॉमिक फॉर्म. यस, जितने भी नॉन मेटल्स हैं और जितने भी नोबल गैस हैं एटॉमिक फॉर्म में पाए जाते हैं. मतलब इनके अंदर एटम्स होते हैं जिसमें न्यूक्लियस और इलेक्ट्रॉन दोनों होते हैं, लेकिन जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं वो अपनी शेल को फुलफिल करते हैं, इसलिए अनरिएक्टिव होते हैं. तीसरा, दे आर रेडियो एक्टिव. नोबल गैस क्यों नहीं हो सकता? क्योंकि इसका आउटर मोस्ट कंप्लीटली फुल है, इसलिए ये रेडियो एक्टिव नहीं हो सकता। और जो नहीं हो सकता इनमें से हमें वो ढूंढना था। एक ये ऑप्शन है। चौथा देखिए, xenon इज द मोस्ट रिएक्टिव अमंग दिस। हमने ये पढ़ा था कि xenon ही एक नोबल गैस है जो रिएक्टिव होती है सारे नोबल गैसेस के कंपैरिजन में। तो इन चारों में से जो सी है ये ऑप्शन गलत है नोबल गैस के हिसाब से। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, काइंडली सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर वीडियोस।